I tried Eidoo Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Eidoo Wallet app, I thought it would be just another generic crypto wallet. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Eidoo might be one of the most feature-packed and underrated wallets out there, especially if you care about managing both crypto and DeFi in one place. On day 1, setup was quick. Eidoo gave me a 12-word recovery phrase, proving it's non-custodial, meaning I own my keys and my coins. The interface immediately stood out, clean, colourful, and user-friendly. By day 2, I discovered something surprising. Eidoo isn't just a wallet. It's a full DeFi hub. You can swap, stake, and even connect to decentralized exchanges directly from the app. I swapped Ethereum for Aussie, and the process was fast and transparent. Fees were shown clearly before every transaction, which is something many wallets still fail to do. On day 3, I explored the Eidoo card. Yes, they actually offer a crypto debit card that lets you spend your crypto in real life. It connects directly to your wallet balance, allowing you to convert crypto to fiat instantly at checkout. It's available in Europe right now, and the integration is surprisingly smooth. Midweek, I tested Eidoo's built-in DeFi dashboard, and this is where it really shines. You can track all your DeFi investments, from liquidity pools to staking, in real time. No third-party tools, no copy-pasting wallet addresses, everything is centralized within the app. By day 6, I realized Eidoo's goal is clear: to make decentralized finance simple for everyone. And they've succeeded. The shocking truth after 7 days: Eidoo combines self-custody, DeFi access, and real-world usability in a single sleek app. It's not the most famous wallet, but it might be one of the most complete. If you're tired of juggling multiple apps for your crypto life, Eidoo could be the all-in-one solution you didn't know you needed.